Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the chapter number 6 of class 6, that is logical Venn diagram. We'll discuss about the exercise. In this exercise we'll have to solve some relationship with the help of Venn diagram. So in the question that says that which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship amongst the given classes. First we'll take the first question, that is traveler, train and bus. We have to create a Venn diagram to show the relationship in between travelers, trains, and buses. So, to represent such things, we'll create a Venn diagram like this. Because why we have created this kind of a Venn diagram, we'll discuss about that. We see that all the travelers, this Venn diagram or this circle represent all the travelers, this circle represent all the buses, and this circle represent all the trains. So we can say that all the trains are not a traveler there. That means some trains are travelers and all the buses are not also traveler. So that means, and all the travelers are not only bus or train, some other vehicles are also are travelers. So some part of the travelers will be taken by the buses and some part of the travelers will be taken by the trains. This will be the Venn diagram for the question number first. Now come to the question number second, that is woman, mother and engineer. To represent woman, mother and engineer, will create a Venn diagram like this. In the smaller circle will represent mother, in outer circle we will represent woman, and a circle which cuts both mother and woman will be represent the engineers. Why is it so? We'll discuss. Now this small circle represent mother, that means all the mothers are women. That is absolutely right, because who is mother? A woman which has mother, she will be a woman definitely. So all the mothers are women, but some women can be engineer, yes they can be, and some mothers who are women also and they will be engineer also. That's why this circle of engineer cutted both woman and mother. So this will be the representation of Venn diagram representation of question number second. Now come to the question number third, that says that factory, product and machinery. To represent factory, product and machinery, we'll use this Venn diagram. In this, the two small circle which will represent, one circle will represent the product and the other small circle will represent machinery, and this big circle will represent factory. Why is it so? Because we can say that the product and machinery both are a different kind of a things. There is no relationship, such kind of a relationship in between machinery and product. Product can be output of machinery, but there is no such relationship between that, both of them. Product is a different thing and machinery is also a different thing. But both product and machinery both are came in under the factory. They are produced in factory. Machinery is also used in factory and product is also product is produced in the factory. So the representation of Venn diagram for the question number third, factory, product and machinery, will be like this. Now come to the question number fourth, that is, here it is mentioned we have to represent a writer, player and singer. To represent writer, player and singer, we have taken the three circles which are cutting some part of all the three circles are cutting to each other. Now why is it so? Just because some writers can be player also, and some player can also be a writer, that's true, and some player can be a writer and singer also. That's why these three circles are cutting to each other. Why? Because some writer can be a singer, can be a player, both also. And some player may have a good writer, or maybe a writer, or maybe a good singer also. So one person can have all the three qualities. That's why, and those person who have all the three qualities will be considered in this part. Or the person who has only two kind of quality, that means they are a writer and player, they will be came in this part. So that's why we have taken this Venn diagram.